If your closet looks like this, you might be dressing below your role, even if you are great at your job. And these are real closets from successful, busy professionals. And every single one of them explains why smart women keep buying clothes and still feel stuck. One of these closets may just look like yours too. Did you know the average American woman spends about 20 minutes per day deciding what to wear? That is over 120 hours a year, 5 full days just standing in front of a closet. So, as you are watching this, ask yourself, how many outfits in your closet do you actually trust to wear for work this month? I like to call myself the closet whisperer because I have seen thousands of closets and they tell me a lot about the owner. Well, today I am going to share 4 of those closets from busy professional women like you, and I want to show you what is wrong with each and what I would fix first. So, this isn't about trends or shopping more, it is about editing correctly. Closet number 1. Here we have a closet that is packed to the brim. Everything is fighting for attention. Remember, if it doesn't fit on the rack, it does not belong in your daily wardrobe. When clothes are layered and crammed together, your brain will shut down, and so you will default to wearing the same pieces over and over again. Eventually, you will experience style boredom. An overcrowded closet does not give you more options. It actually creates decision fatigue. At Next Level Wardrobe, everything you wear regularly, daily, gets hung. If it does not fit on the rack, then it's gotta go. In this closet, you see garment bags, plastic covers, pieces that you probably have not worn in months. This is what I call the someday closet. Someday I'll wear this. Someday I'll fit into this. Someday I'll be able to take the plastic bag off. So, the rule, if your closet looks like this, if you can't see it, you are not going to wear it. This is how smart women end up getting dressed for imaginary lives instead of real ones. So, editing these out isn't giving up, it's making room for who you are today. So, be sure to really embody that mindset. If you are a busy professional and you want your style to feel simple, not like a heavy lift, I want you to hit that subscribe button. This channel is built for you. In the next closet, I see tops, very few bottoms. And when I see this, I usually know one thing has happened, and that is body changes. Now, let's be honest, tops are easier to buy when your body feels unfamiliar. Bottoms require fit certainty, a lot of trying things on, a lot of going to the stores, and so people avoid them. I myself had gone through this in the past few months. This is avoidance shopping and it keeps people stuck for years. So once your bottoms fit, everything else will get easier. Dressing, shopping, packing for travel, we always like to make sure that you have the right pieces. So we like to make sure that you have a healthy amount of tops versus a healthy amount of bottoms. Now, the last closet is a big closet, and as you can see, it is completely full. You do not need to fill your closet. Yes, I'm talking to those of you that have big, beautiful closets with a lot of space. Empty space is not a failure. It is clarity. It is okay to see the walls in your closet. And with this closet in particular, I would edit minimum 50% of what you see here. Because when everything is important in your closet, nothing is. A strong wardrobe has space to breathe. That is how your best pieces stand out and how you feel amazing each and every day. So here is what we saw in these closets. Overpacked racks create decision fatigue. Someday clothes block progress. Avoiding bottoms keeps people stuck. And fuller closets aren't always better closets. If you saw your closet in any of these images, you are not behind. And you're just trying to fix a system problem with more shopping. Hint, it's not going to work. And that is exactly why I teach and my team teaches the next level wardrobe style system. If you want to know what to fix in your own closet today, I want you to go ahead and take my style quiz. I'm linking it below. It is going to tell you your style archetype and then what your next steps are. I want you to remember style isn't about having more, it is about building the right system.